Good morning everybody. So guys, for today's video, as you can see, I'm actually going to be doing a contact lens unboxing try on haul. I just want to also say that this video is kindly sponsored by JUST4KIRA. So this is obviously the brand here of contact lenses, and this is who I'm working with today, and they have kindly sponsored this video. They were also very kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, which will be down below in the description box. So all that information will be down in the description box, and I will have also a direct link also to the website so you can check out some of their coloured contacts. First off, I just want to mention that of course the brand is JUST4KIRA. They are coloured contact lenses, and they also provide prescription contact lenses as well. This is the wee package. This is how everything comes, and it also comes with a wee thank you note, and then on the back it has your instructions as well. So they were very kind enough to actually let me choose, I think, 4 pairs. So basically each contact, like one contact, is in its one single box, which I think is actually a really good idea, because let's say for example you need a prescription contact lens for just the one eye. That just means that it just kind of makes it easier, if that makes sense, instead of having like the 2 contacts in the one box, and it might get a wee bit confusing as to what lens is the prescription lens, etc. You also get your wee trays as well, so whenever you actually take your contacts out of the wee box, you can put your solution and your contacts is in here. Your contact lenses are going to be in here with like the solution or something, and there's kind of like wee rubber things, like wee rubber bands around up here, so it just kind of means that it's travel friendly as well. And also it comes with wee tools. You get these wee tweezers, and they have rubber tips on them, so this wee device here could obviously be used to place and apply the contact or remove. This is the packaging here, which is actually really pretty. So at the end of the packaging you have the name of the contact and kind of like a wee bit of like a colour code. So these are obviously the grey ones, so we have kind of like a wee grey strip, and then down here is, I'm kind of guessing, is where you would have your prescription. Okay, so I'm actually going to start with the brown pair. They just come in this wee solution in this wee tight knit plastic pouchy thing. So I also just want to put in like a wee disclaimer here. If you are triggered with like people touching their eyes or like eyeballs or whatever, obviously you might want to like skip through this. Of course there is quite a number of different ways you can actually apply your contacts. The way I apply them is, well, you'll obviously see in a minute, duh. But yeah, play around. Go along with the instructions, look up on YouTube, Google, whatever. The shade I'm going to be trying first of all is the Seawin Choco. Okay, so starting off with the application, I first like to just grab these wee tweezers first of all, and I'm just going to lift the contact. I'm going to put it just on my finger, just like so. So it's kind of like that. I do apologise if you're squeamish. I'm just gonna be honest, I think you can kind of still see like the blueness of my actual eye coming through. So I actually do think that if you already had brown eyes, I think this would actually be a really beautiful contact to just wear just as like a wee bit of an enhancer to your eyes. And I also just want to mention before I put this other wee one in that of course I'm not wearing any mascara or anything today yet. I'll actually put a wee bit of mascara on whenever I'm doing my last pair, just to really show you with everything coming together, because obviously sometimes whenever you put them in, your eyes can water the tiniest wee bit. It's completely normal, it's natural, so I didn't want my mascara to go everywhere. Okay, so and another thing I just also want to show you is, again, trigger warning, if you're not into eyeballs, you might want to look away. I'm also going to show you how I take them out, of course. So you just want to get your wee tweezers, pinch, and here we go, and you want to put it back into your solution. These are the 2 brown ones. So the next pair I'm going to try is the Aurora blue ones. Whoa! Oh my god. I can definitely tell. You can definitely tell, can't you? Like, oh, she's got contacts in. They're not the most natural. They're just glossy looking. So yeah, what do you think? So these last two pairs are the grey ones, and this is one of them. And as you can see, I actually already have one in. I'm just gonna be honest, I really didn't expect much with the grey because I didn't know what to expect. But I think that looks really, really nice. Actually, out of all of them, I think this might be my favourite one so far. And my favourite pair so far. It just looks like more realistic, whereas the Aurora blue ones, they did look a wee bit artificial, you know what I mean? Whereas with this one, because it is a wee bit more muted, it just looks more natural and realistic. And as you can see, it actually has a wee bit of darkness at the outer perimeter, and it's just, I'm gonna give you a real zoom in so you can see. It's so pretty. So that's like my actual eyeball, and then that's the contact lens. That is the two contacts in, and I'm actually really liking them that much that I actually think I'm going to put on a wee bit of mascara, because I think that's maybe what's kind of thrown me off a wee bit with the other pairs, that they look really, really good in my humble opinion, but I just kind of feel like there's something missing. Yeah, I think they look really, really pretty actually. Oh my god, again, just like the previous pair, I think that they just make my eyes just look really crystallized and glossy and glazed. And I do think personally that they look definitely a wee bit more natural. I don't know, but they just look so pretty. These next ones are crystal grey, and again I have this one in. I'm kind of liking to put one in, just to kind of give you a wee bit of like an actual comparison, like right side by side. But they, again, lovely. Slightly different to the other grey ones that we just tried there. You can definitely see that there is like a wee bit of darkness around the perimeter, but not too much. There we go. They're pretty. They are definitely very, very pretty. If I just move these back a wee bit, so you can also kind of like see them from a distance. Again, I think actually these last two pairs, like definitely the grey ones, seem to be more, dare I say, more natural looking. And of course, again, my eyes just look really, really nice and crystallized and glazed and just pretty. I think out of all the rest of the contacts, I think these are the pair that actually match my eye colour the best. I think I'm actually going to keep these in, you know, because that's also just something I want to mention quickly before I go, because this is all the contacts I have here to show you. They're so comfortable, guys. Like, that's something I was also saying to Kyla, like you literally can't feel them. Obviously, because I'm not a contacts wearer, I'm not used to having anything in my eyeballs. Whenever I was trying on the first couple of pairs, my eyes were getting a wee bit watery. I'm not going to deny that. It's normal. I have a normal human functioning body. It's going to happen. But see, the last two, it was just boop boop. Honestly, it's so easy. Very, very beginner friendly and really, really easy to work with. Absolutely fantastic, the fact that it comes with the tools, but they're that easy to actually apply and work with that you don't really need the tools. But one thing I will say is these wee tweezers, 100%. Really, really love these actually, and I love like the wee rubber wee tips. Really, really handy again for actually like removing them and even like lifting them out of your wee thing with the solution in it. Yeah, love these. Really, really handy. And again, it kind of just saves you like poking in around your eyes with your fingers and everything. And then obviously do keep in mind you have to kind of keep these clean as well. And beautiful, beautiful contacts. They definitely do look like my natural eyes, only better. Only better. I think that's perfect. But of course guys, at the start of the video I did mention that this video was kind of sponsored by Just for Kira, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video and partnering with me today. And of course they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you, so that will also be down in the description box below. But yeah, super happy with how this video turned out and how happy I actually was. I really was not actually expecting to actually like the contact lenses as much as I do, but I think I might actually do like a really full coverage, full glam makeup tutorial, also featuring some of these contacts just to see what they really look like and see if they can really like enhance and change my eyes. I think that would be super cool actually, but I love them. But yeah, oh mate, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But yeah, I'm actually gonna keep these on for the remainder of the day and actually see how long I can kind of go with these actually in until my eyes get sore, irritated, or they start to get watery or whatever. So I will also keep you up to date with that as well and kind of see how long it actually takes them to actually piss me off. Thank you so much to you guys for watching. I hope you all did enjoy. I know it was a wee bit different, but yeah, I thought it was something I would kind of take on just to see as a wee fun wee video, and I'm actually really impressed. So again, thank you guys so much for everything and for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.